Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christina once again. Today I'm going to show you how to make just a very simple sweet and sour meatballs. And today I'm going to be joined by my lovely son Christopher. He's going to help me how to make the meatballs for our dinner tonight. And I'm quite excited actually because this is the first time I'm going to show him how to make the meatballs, so looking forward to it. Come on, join us. Here, it's entirely up to you how much salt you're gonna put, basically guys. It just depends of your taste. I quite like the stronger flavor basically. So on paper. Oh, you can add some herbs as well. There we go. Bit of sugar. Mix it together. 1 egg. Amazing. And then that's ready. Lovely son here, Christopher, is gonna help me how to make the meatballs. You like meatballs, don't you?
Yes.
All right, would you like to mix our meat, darling? So to make our bubbles, you just basically just grab a hand, you know, like that. Your spoon, and then just make your bubbles just like that. We've washed our hands already. There you go. And then that's ready to go into our ooh, lovely. Let's have a look. Well done. Nice. That's right, it should be ready. And then just show what you've done. Well done. Oh, no, you've got to be careful. You got when you put it in there, you got to be just really gentle. Otherwise, it will just splash out. And you don't really want that to happen. But I only set it as medium heat anyway. So it shouldn't be too much. Shouldn't be too hot. There you go. Yeah, show your little bubbles. That's our meatballs. This is our homemade meatballs, guys. Here we go. You just do it like that. Perfect. That's better. So it doesn't splash. So this is beef meatballs. So I find that the beef is actually healthier, isn't it, darling, than pork. There you go. So you just have to be very gentle. So when you put your meatballs in there. There you go. Good thing about these meatballs, you can just actually eat it hot or cold. Here you are. This just shows our meatballs there. Let's have a look. Let's show. Shall we have a look? Look at our meatballs, guys. There we go. Lovely. Nice, well done. You're a pro now. You know how to make your meatballs. You've actually, wow, well done, darling. So you've done all the meatballs. Hello, here's my Christopher. So you've actually done all these meatballs. Nice, well done. You're a pro now. You know how to make your meatballs. You've actually, wow, well done, darling. So you've done all the meatballs. Hello, here's my Christopher. So you've actually done all these meatballs. You can wash your hands now, lovely, if you like. Well done. So there we go. And here's our meatballs, guys. Here we go. It's so easy to make, guys. Thank you so so much for watching, guys.